So good afternoon to all. Hope you are doing great. So today in this video, we'll be discussing about Dixon Technology share. So we know that yesterday the stock split has happened and many people are having doubts regarding when the shares will be credited. So in this particular video, in depth, we'll discuss about Dixon Technologies and also we'll try to find out the next possible targets. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get instantly notified. Okay, so we know that about Dixon Technologies, the X date was 18th March, that is yesterday. So when we discussed about Infibeam Avenues yesterday, I told the basic difference between what is bonus issue and what is split issue, because many people are having doubts regarding bonus and split. So basically what happens in split is the face value reduces. So we know that for Dixon, the face value was 10. So now it has been reduced to 2. It implies 1:5. But whereas in bonus, we don't see any change in face value, but just when the company is making profits, it issues the bonus in the ratio of 1:1. Let's say if you're having one share, additional another share will be rewarded. For that also there will be separate X date, and accordingly we need to hold that particular shares before the X date. So this I have explained clearly in my previous videos as well. So if you have not watched that, definitely watch it so that you will have an idea what is actually stock split and what is bonus issue. Okay, about Dixon Technologies, many people also are having doubt that if I buy today, will I get any extra shares? So definitely you won't get any shares. You need to hold before the X date in order to either have bonus or either to have any splitting. Before you need to hold the shares, not after. Okay, remember these things. That's why the company provides X date in order to clarify that you need to hold the shares before that. So immediate next question is, when will I receive that particular shares? Basically it takes 2 to 3 days to get credited into your account. So maximum all will get at a time only. So don't have any panic situation. Definitely they will issue the shares if you are holding before 18th. So nothing much to panic regarding that. Okay, so when we see the volume analysis clearly on March 18th, we have seen obviously volatility will increase, and also you can see traded quantity has also increased, and you can see deliveries have increased in a good manner. So you can see roughly 37.3% deliveries have been taken and almost 5.6 positive movement was seen. So currently it's trading near 4,300. So yesterday it has closed near 4,240 with almost 5.6 positive movement. So Dixon Technologies, people who are already holding from low levels, definitely you can hold this particular stock. So we know that from previously it used to trade at 6,000, 7,000. From there it has gone to almost 21,000. So that's why they have announced this particular split. So because basic retailers cannot afford to buy 21,000 rupees just for one stock, so that in order to increase the volume, in order to increase the liquidity, so they do the stock split. So we know the king of stock splitting is Wipro. So people are already they know about Wipro stock splitting. So they might be knowing that Dixon Technologies also has the same potential, and if it continues to grow again, the same thing continues, like splitting the stock is only left. So potential is there. So when especially previously we know that when updates have come regarding made in India, especially mobile manufacturing made in India, so that time this particular stock has given a huge rally. So still potential is there. So we know that little market also is in correction, especially since last few days because of various global factors and also because of profit booking. So make sure you buy some good quality stocks. So we on regular basis will try to discuss some stocks that you can add into your demat. Okay, so currently it is trading near 4,307 rupees. So today if you see, it has went little down because market also has opened with gap down opening, but later when the US bond yields, when they started settling, so our markets also reacted in a positive way. Even Nifty is present at a very good support. So I'm discussing all these things in Instagram as well. So if you have any doubts like which stock to buy for short term, long term, or if you are stuck at any stock, you can message me so that I'll clarify all your doubts. So you can see currently it is near 4,300. So you can take at a very good buying side, and you can add this particular stock. So there is no problem in adding this particular stock, and people who are already holding it from low level, so definitely you can continue holding. Potential wise, nothing is problem, nothing is there, because if you see previous mutual funds holding data also, you can see Dixon Tech shares have been added on regular basis. So okay, so this is, I think this doubt is cleared whether to hold or not. So definitely you can hold it, and if you want to do fresh investment also, you can add it. Okay, apart from that, if you're having any doubts, you can message me in comment section as well, and also in the Instagram. So hope this particular doubt is cleared. So many people are having doubts when the shares will be received. So maximum 2 to 3 days definitely you'll receive all the shares. And whether it may be any stock, hope you understood basic difference between bonus and split. Okay, so until then, take care, bye bye.